Here we got a Camaro, 1969. So it doesn't have the vent window on it or anything. Like I think the 67 had a vent window or whatever. 69 is like my favorite year, to tell you the truth. I like these SSRS. It's got everything in it. White stripes. And these tires are probably bigger than what was on it, I think. I mean wider, you know, I think. Blue interior. Which the blue interior looks better than the black interior, to tell you the truth, when you got the blue car. One advantage though of the black interior is if you want to change the color, anything goes with it. You know, or like an off-white interior or something like that. That's why they make cars today with basically only two colors, tan and gray. So pretty much any color goes with it, right? They don't even give you a choice anymore, for crying out loud. Super sport, and you got the gauge package there on the console. Probably had a turbo 400 in it, I'm assuming. It's a very good transmission. Yeah, it's a sweet convertible, man. And yeah, if you had a car like this, the one thing you gotta watch for is rust. Or if you're in Arizona, you gotta watch out that the wiring system doesn't dry out with all the rubber molding. That's the other side. You gotta have the humidity just right. That's even when you store a car. You can store it forever. You can't have it too dry or too wet. It's exactly. It's people don't. You know, back east, people don't think about problems of having little humidity. So, but I guess if they had all the molding made out of silicon and wiring stuff like that, coated with silicon and rubber, probably would last out in Arizona like for 500 years, as long as you kept your oil changed and all that stuff.